unfortunately, I think you're seeing a lot of small carriers or carriers that maybe tried to grow too fast during a good time,
Right.
um, that are now struggling financially. We've seen a number go out of business or downsize or closing
Right.
offices and that,
Right.
laying off staff and doing things, which I understand they have to do. Unfortunately,
Sure.
sometimes though their focus is very short term on making sure they generate enough revenue this week, even if it's not profitable revenue, to put the money in the cash register to be able to pay their bills next week or pay their people next week.
Right.
And unfortunately, a lot of what they do is not sustainable in that they're basically buying time until they either cease operations or go out of business or shut down,
Yeah.
or forced to shut down. Unfortunately, I think it hurts the good carriers because we're forced to price against that. You
Sure.
know, and customers like, well, this guy's offering this rate. And again, sometimes people don't realize it can be a race to the bottom.
Yeah.
So I think it's been challenging as a company. I think it's very challenging for owner operators and fleets right now. We're all in it together.